Solved how to fix the Ascent not launching on Windows. 1. Make sure your PC meets the requirement. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Run the Ascent as like this. 3. Verify your game. Files in Steam. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. 5. Run the Ascent in DirectX 11 by adding DX 11 into the Ascent launch options. 6. Check your antivirus. Ensure your security software allows the Ascent through its settings. 7. Perform a clean